Here at Ambitious Academy, we unite CNC technology training with a vibrant community of creators and business owners in order to help push our students to enter their field of study as quickly as possible. We are proud to announce we are working alongside SETAs and in partnership with QCTO to make our course not just SETA compliant, but the best possible learning experience to give students an edge as they enter the professional market. With the goal of compliance in occupational certificates, we are hard at work developing and improving our courses to give learning professionals the best start possible. We have built effective and inclusive learning facilities, equipped them with the latest and greatest gear, and have lessons taught by industry experts who are active and leading in their respective fields. Here at Ambitious, we aim to help learning professionals move from the class straight to the field with the best certification possible. Welcome to Ambitious Academy. Enroll today and contact us at info@ambitious.co.za.